Welcome to the Art Project. This is Inktober. This is Wild. This is day 16, 17, 16. Day 16. Losing track of time here. Anyway, this one might kind of show it, but I kind of threw this one together real fast. I've been thinking about Wild and things like Wild. Things that come to mind were like the flash art for tattoos or race cars and that sort of thing. And so I went with the race car idea. I went with this flame motif and just try to get the flames looking right, and then basically do the skull. Just do some shading, some cross hatching, all that sort of thing. I didn't want to, screw it up too bad. Wanted it to be a good addition to the set. I would like to put maybe some orange in the tips of the flames. You'll see in a few minutes when I color the flames in yellow. I think orange would look really good towards the tips, or maybe even some orange to red. But I had to go pick up my daughter from ballet, so had to hurry. And just had to kind of call it quits. Anyway, I'm loving Inktober. I hope y'all are enjoying it. See, I erased the flames a little bit so that the pencil lines wouldn't show up on the yellow too much. I didn't want to erase it altogether, although I wished I had erased it a little bit better. This is Dr. P.H. Martin's Bombay ink, India ink yellow, and some black. And so there it is. Hope you like it. Hope you are enjoying all of this. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. This is what I've got done for Inktober so far. Starting to look pretty good. I like it. I like the way it's coming together. In the end, I'm going to try and assemble it all into a book. Maybe an accordion book or some kind of handmade book, so all the pieces are together in one set. At least that's my plan. Let me know what you think. I could even make some stickers or t-shirts or anything like that if you wanted. Let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in that sort of thing. Might be kind of a hefty price if I'm only making one or two, but hey, your turn. Go make some art.